I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Got Kit Kat. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll, baby side doll, baby high doll, baby high doll, baby. So happy that you are here. There's a stink bug up there, so Kit Kat is on the prowl. I'll move her more into frame. Kit. Aww. Okay, so today I'm really quick. I am going to be including some... Hi, babe. I'm going to be including some clips of my new brow routine. I thought that I would share that because I have been doing my brows a little bit different. I do have some other brow videos, so you can check the playlist that I'm going to link down below. But I've been doing this sort of like bushy brow technique, and I wanted to share with you. So you're going to see me doing it, but the products that I used 3 different eye pencils, and I do that in 3 different colors just because like your natural brows aren't just like a harsh one color. So I do like to mix the colors. And these are 3 of my favorite brow pencils. So I used the Stila Sketch and Sculpt brow pencil in, hi babe, in the color medium. Okay. And it looks like this. It's got a spoolie on one end, which I don't ever use. And then it's just got the very thin micro pencil on that side. I got these from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or whatever, but you know, they still sell them. The other one that I really love is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, which you can get at your drugstore for like $4 or less. This is in the color soft to brown. It does have a spoolie, but I don't even have it fully opened on the bottom. And it's just another small micro pencil. And then my very favorite brow pencil, most of my favorite brow products are from Benefit, and then I use the color Precisely My Brow in the color 4, and it just looks like that. I then spooled through with the Benefit Give Me Brow in the color 3, and this one has sort of like the microfibers and stuff on them. I think this is actually, I feel like this is a mini size, but maybe not. And then once I was all done, I always set my brows, no matter what I'm using, with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. To me, this is just like the best brow gel ever. It has this one that has like little, like rounded here with bristles, and then these small bristles here, and then it has sort of like a flat side, if you can see. So when I put like powder and stuff to make it a really bold brow, I'll actually lay that flat side on top, so it's like laying the product on top of there. That is what I did, and you just saw the clips of me doing my new brow technique. I really love doing my brows, and I love trying different things. I noticed when I was filming that it was a difference, like I could tell that my brows look different, so I thought that I would share that. I don't have a lot of natural brows, so I do do different things with them. So again, there is a full brow playlist down below. So that is what I have for you. If you like this type of video, if you like me doing videos on my brows and things like that, please put that down below. If there is a technique or something you would like me to try, check out my brow playlist first, and then you can request that video down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!